Oh, look at him! Are they like devils in the show? Oh! Wait, is that her power? Hi guys, welcome to another blind reaction video, and today's anime is Chainsaw Man. So I'm going to be watching this show very soon. Actually, I'm going to be watching the show right after I'm done watching the openings and endings. I just want to watch the openings and endings blind before I can get started with the show. And from the title of the anime, Chainsaw Man, I can tell that this anime has something to do with a man who gets his power from a chainsaw, like Spider Man. But the question is, how did he get this power? Like, Spider Man was bitten by a radioactive spider. That's how he became Spider Man. But this is a chainsaw. Chainsaws don't bite. And it's a non-living object. So I'm just wondering, how does he get his power? Like, did some part of the chainsaw go into his body and did it do something inside? I don't know, but the title of the anime alone looks very interesting, and I'm super excited to start the show. Also, the studio, animation studio, is Mappa, so I know that the animation is going to be really good. Yeah, I'm super excited to check it out. So let's begin. Oh, he pulled the chainsaw. Wow, the animation. Wait. So the chainsaw is in like a toy or an animal? Is that the chainsaw? Oh my god. Oh, the song sounds. There's an angel. Oh god, the angel's watching movie. What, the devil joins? wait, that can't be a costume, right? Is it just a costume or what? And like, do they have powers? It's not just the chainsaw man. Other people also have powers, I guess. What is he doing to them? Oh my god. Sorry, the zoom in shot on you know what kind of threw me off. Okay. Oh my god, there's something coming out of him. I think he's the protagonist. Oh, look at him! Oh my god. So freaking cool. Oh wow. Bro. What are Okarun's balls doing here? And it's so inflated now. Okarun, you need to get back your ball. It's in Chainsaw Man. Oh god. Wow. Oh. There's so many monsters. Okay. What a fun song. Man, I really loved it. So energetic. Oof. Okay, and I noticed a lot of things, and the song was just, it went by so fast, so I couldn't keep pausing every second. So, what I saw is the animal or the toy, I don't know, had chainsaw buried in it. So how did it go from that thing to him? I don't know. I think maybe it's an animal, or so maybe it has to bite him in order for him to get the chainsaw power. It's definitely a living object though, because it had eyes and stuff, right? So it's a living object. And this the song was so much fun, and this anime looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. It looks so edgy. They really threw me off with that zoom in shot. I was not expecting that. But it kind of gives me an idea on what this show is like. And for some reason, it reminded me of Dandadan. Yeah, maybe because of the ball, and I don't know, just the vibe of the show just gives me the dun 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 vibe. And also there's so many monsters. Where are they coming from? Why are we fighting them? And yeah, so it looks like the Chainsaw Man is protecting the people, killing all the monsters. And I'm wondering if the others also have some sort of power. I think so because um I don't know, one girl had horns, another guy looked like an angel, and I think I also saw them fight. So it's not just him, the others also seem to have some sort of power, is what I think. And the show looks very exciting. So there's only one opening in this anime, and I think the rest are all endings. So ending one, let's go. So that's how we activate, is it? By pulling the chain like that. There's zombies. Oh, such weird looking monsters. Yeah, he's definitely the protagonist this time. Oh my god. I'm really loving the music. Oh, the chain is attached to his chest. Oh, that's how he activates. Okay, I thought he just pulls something. It's in his own body. And that's the animal. Animal. I think it's an animal. Yeah. He's known it since childhood. Oh, that thing is so cute. Oh my god. So much gore. Woo! My god. Damn. Oh, look at that thing walk. So adorable. My cute aggression is kicking in. Oh, oh my god. Oh, what was that? Was it its cute little butt cheeks? What was that? So adorable. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. The chain is its tail, right? But the chain was also in his body. So what? Like, how does it end up in his body? Maybe like it jumps inside him. Like they belong. Oh, I think they belong. Like I mean, they become one together. Somehow they merge. So when they merge, I think its tail comes here, and then he can pull it out. But then the saw comes here. Okay, I don't know. I just have to watch the anime, but okay, this is looking so good. I'm so excited to watch the show. There's so much gore, there's so much blood. Okay, moving on to the next ending. I really like this one. Yeah. Yeah, the visuals on this are very different. Oh. He's living in dump. He lives on the road? I think, oh my god, I think he's poor. Our protagonist is poor as hell. That's sad. She's not poor. Oh, so his thing has to do with the sword? Yeah. Oh, one more thing I noticed. Yeah, they all keep hanging out together. So I guess like they're friends, or I don't know. They had like a uniform, right? So maybe they're I don't think it's cool. Maybe it's like some organization or something, like an organization to fight the monsters, evil, probably. Wow. Oh, he's going up. I thought he was falling down. Wow, he's back on the ground now. And she's like the devil, I feel. Look at her eyes and everything. Oh my god, his teeth are so pointy. Like the devil. Yeah, the other girl also looks like a devil. The one with the horns. Maybe her power has to do with. I don't know what do devils do. Maybe something related to that. Yeah, and it definitely looks like they belong to some organization, or maybe they go to the same school. Yeah, something of that sort, because they're wearing uniforms. And poor thing lives in a dump. Oh, you broke protagonist. I feel bad for him. Wow. Who are these people? Oh my god. Are they like devils in the show? Oh my god. Oh yeah, and there's like a dog tag on him or chain on him. Okay. She is the devil. Dude, she's the devil. Man, I got goosebumps. Is that his heart? The cute I don't know what to say. Are you fucking kidding me? All this while they're screaming in my ear. And the visuals were like demon, devil, and everything. And now there's a what is this sudden shift? And she looks like an angel now. Okay. Like angel from above. Why is he naked? Is he worshipping her? The song is insane. I knew it. Look at that. It's inside him, right? They showed his body, and then it's inside him. Oh man, I didn't notice his hands. So it's not just this. His hands also have sauce. Damn. I think these three are very close, best friends. Okay, wow. Such an interesting song. The first half was a whole different vibe, and the second half was a whole different vibe. The devil and then the angel. And that guy the protagonist was worshipping that lady with the braid. And he was naked. Okay, I am slowly starting to get an understanding of what the show is like. And his power is so cool. It's not just the saw on his head, his hands as well. So he can use his hand and his head. Oh my god, if I don't like someone and if I had that power, I would just keep headbutting people. Okay, yeah, I really like this one. Next one. Okay. My god. It's like a video game. They startled me in the beginning though. That's her in different outfits, professions. She looks very cool. Oh my god. The cheerleader now. It's just her in this. But there are more characters. I like her dance. Yeah, she seems like a lot of fun. Okay. Man, that music. What is that? Okay. Oh yeah, the show is extremely edgy, very new generation. Makes me feel young, this show, you know? Okay, moving on to the next one. There are so many more characters. What the hell is happening? It's in a toilet. what is an animal doing in a toilet? She like a scaredy cat, this girl. Never ending stick. Oh my god. The song is very trippy. Oh my god. Yeah, I feel like I'm hallucinating. I'm on something. Oh my god, look at that. Wait a minute. The painting. I want to see that painting again. The protagonist is lying down like that. He definitely likes the braid woman. And why does this remind me of, like, she looks like Mother Mary. And even before, like, she looked like an angel and he was worshipping her. Okay, interesting. I feel like we're in church. Oh my god. Where is the head? Oh wow. That looks so interesting. Oh my god. Wait. I think I saw fingers on it. Look at that. Oh my. Is it made out of fingers? No, I see eyes as well. Damn, this is so trippy. Oh my god. What is this? The Infinity Stairwell Castle? Oh my god. Now it's all white. Damn. What a trippy song. The song started off like with so much blood and so many trippy things happening. It was so colorful. And it also, at some parts, it looked like they were in church. And the protagonist definitely likes that braid woman. Looks like he worships her. Yeah, I remember him bowing down in the beginning. And yeah, so it started off all colorful, and in the end, it was just blank, white, blank space. What a trippy song. I really like this one. Is that a finger? Oh. The music is so good. Yeah. Infinity Staircase Castle. Damn, this is trippy in a different way. I think this place is very important. This staircase place seems very important. Oh my god, his hair? Yeah, I noticed it before as well. It's against gravity, his hair. Such an interesting hairstyle. Yeah, this guy. Mouth. Wow. He looks so cool, man. What is that? The music is really good. Oh, she likes him back. I saw a picture of her hugging him, the brave girl. Okay. I like the song, especially the music. The music was so good on this. Okay, moving on to the next one. Yeah, the animation of this looks very 90s, looks old. Yeah, and it's like a 90s video game. Oh, imagine if you can play this game. I mean, play this anime as a game. I can't read any of them. Hearts left. Oh my god. What's with all the suggestive poses? Okay. What kind of anime is this? Oh my god. I was confused if she's a man or a woman. I'm sorry. I was kind of confused. That confirms it. She's a woman. She's a woman. She's nice buff. I like her. What is this trippy vomit? What is happening? What kind of anime is this? I'm going to start watching it, so I think I'm getting more details on what kind of anime this is. Yeah, I'm getting an idea now. A clearer picture. Nice. They added many images for me to truly understand. I don't know, is the anime also going to be like this, or it's just for the openings? I don't know. I have to find out. Okay, moving on to the next one. Damn, she's like a badass. They all smoke? Yep. Did someone die? Oh, the music. Does it? Yeah. That. Someone's strangling her, poor thing. Okay, more naked people. Oh my god. What the hell are these monsters, man? Yeah, I feel like someone died. Yeah, I think he lost someone. The hair guy. Oh my god. Wow, the song. Damn. It sounded so good. And looks like someone died. And wait, did that girl die? The girl with the eye patch? because someone was strangling her. I don't know. But the monsters on the show look very scary. Where are they coming from? And this organization or whatever, are they like friends? How did this organization form? I'm just thinking. And who's the head? I think the girl with the braid is the head of the organization because I saw her sitting on the chair like like a boss. I think she's the boss. Yeah, and that song sounded very deep and dark and like pain, like someone's expressing their pain. That's what it sounded like. Okay, moving on to the next one. That's blood. Oh, that's me after I work out. Just one. Wait, he lost his hands? Oh, wait, it's the patch girl who lost her hands, I think. Oh. Trippy again. Wow. It's like intestines. Small intestines. Intestines are tied to her leg. Oh my god. Oh, what a beautiful song. Although they're literally intestines. Wait, is that her power? Like she can make people explode like in that show Boys, you know, that lady who can make people's heads explode. Does she have that sort of power? Or she can like manipulate blood and stuff? I think so. Oh my god. So cool when she was doing whatever. A lot of cigarettes on the show. A lot of people smoke here. Again, another trippy song. The show has so many trippy songs. And I think that girl with the patch, she lost her hands. Maybe she's the one that died. Or maybe she just lost her hands. I'm not sure. But that girl's power looks kind of crazy. And this kind of confirms to me that looks like everyone has some power. Yeah. Okay, moving on to the next one. Wait, I think he moved out of the dump. Or maybe not. The animation is so different. The style. So many dogs he has. He has like a dog tag as well. Like he's also a dog. Lollipop. It's her lollipop. Oh my. Did she just shoot him? Oh my god. The song. I like the tune. It's running away. I'm really enjoying this song. Who's he running from? Yeah, these three are definitely like best friends. They have each other's backs. I don't know why does he have a dog collar? Like he's a human. Why does he seem to have it? And that girl, she shot him. What the fuck? I thought that she liked him. Why did she shoot the guy? Or maybe that was just like a visual representation, whatever, just for the sake of the opening, I think, because of course, like how can the protagonist die then we don't, what show do we have, right? So maybe it's just implying something. Okay, I really like the song, like the tune of the song, I really liked it. Okay, moving on to the next one.
Violence.
Crazy animation, wow. Damn. What is this place? Looks so cool. Every song has very different animation style.
話し足りないね終わりの先でも二人この気持ちだけでやけどしちゃいたい
Wow.
Darling
I'm just enjoying the visuals on this song. The cubes, I mean, the cubes formed into this thing. Oh, wow. I love when he jumps off the building like that. What a nice song. What is that place? Wait. I think I saw someone new whose face looked like a bird. That person. Wow. Is that blood? Damn. The animation. Of course, it's Mappa Studio. So, of course, the animation is going to be really good. A whole song with brilliant animation and it was an abstract concept. I really liked it. And the song was so good. I honestly liked every song that I listened to so far. Yeah, okay. Moving on to the next one. Okay, this is the last one, I guess. Let's go. Yeah, these three are definitely close friends. Is that her cat from before? I used to do that as a kid, like stand on the swing and swing. I miss being a kid. Are these three like living together now? Because I saw the protagonist cleaning the washroom and stuff, and they're shopping together now. I think he moved out of his dump and he moved in with them. I'm happy for him. Yeah, they're definitely living together. I'm happy for them. I like the way he was laughing. Yeah, that's a cat. Their friend group looks like a lot of fun. It's the best feeling in the world, right? Eating a lot of food and then just going to sleep right after that. Okay, I really love the openings. I mean, one opening and all the endings that I watched. And I think my favorite opening is there's just one. So yeah, that was my favorite. And ending, I don't know, I can't choose. Yeah. I don't know which one I like, but I mean, I don't know the number, but I must have mentioned which one I like. Yeah. And the show looks super edgy, and there's a lot of smoking on the show, and there was some suggestive shots here and there. So I think it's that kind of anime. And it reminded me of Dandadan. Maybe because they're young, like young teenagers doing teenage things and having powers. And I don't know, even Dandadan is a very edgy show. So maybe that's why it kind of reminded me of Dandadan. And oh, Karun, if you want your ball, it's here. The other one is here. It was, yeah, it's the same ball, I think. It was golden in color. Just that it's like super big now, all inflated and shit. And the opening and ending kind of answered my questions, a lot of my questions. I think the animal, the oh, wait a minute. After a few openings, I mean a few endings, I never saw the doll. Sorry, the animal with the saw in it. I did not see it for a very, very long time. Wonder what happened to it. And so I think that's how he gets his power, through that animal. The animal goes inside him somehow, God knows how, but it goes inside him. And I think he pulls the chain, and then that thing gets activated and he becomes the chainsaw man, and he protects people. They fight monsters. That's what the show is about. Very interesting. Then the protagonist seems to like that girl, like the boss. Oh, he likes the boss. That's a very kinky relationship. I'm so excited to watch the show. I'm going to watch it right now. And I would love to hear from you guys. Which one is your favorite? And if you watched this video up until here, then please do not forget to subscribe in case you haven't. And also check out my Patreon if you're looking for uncut access to this particular video or any other show that I'm watching early and uncut access. Yeah, I really enjoyed these songs, and drop in your suggestions for the next opening and ending that you want me to check out. Yeah, that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave it a thumbs up if you did. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.